Hi guys, James from MeasureSquare here. Welcome to the floating shower bench tutorial in the MeasureSquare 8 Advanced Topics series. For some shower stalls, we may need to occasionally draw a shower bench or shelf that floats off the wall. To begin, let's trace out the bathroom or shower walls. Next, let's click the View Wall button. Once our walls are showing, let's select the Elevation button and begin drawing the front profile of our bench. Once the front profile has been drawn, right-click to turn off the elevation tool and left-click to select the elevation. Once the elevation is selected and highlighted red, open the property view on the right-hand side of the screen if it's not already expanded. Select the wall height field and enter in the value for the depth of our bench. Hit enter. Next, we can drag and drop our tile or other product to the front of the bench and all of the other areas that need the product. To best view the results of our shower bench, left-click inside the shower on the plan and then select the View 3D option.